screens give me goosebumps. I'm not knowing
What's going on, Riches to Wealth family? Right, it's another one for you guys today, and we back at it again. Right, so we're going to teach you guys a little bit about how the foreign exchange market goes. Right, so there's three different ways that the market moves. Right, you have one. Right, the market moves as a ranging market, which means it is consolidating. It is in consolidation, which means the market is moving sideways. Right, that means the market is moving sideways. Right, so as we can see here, right, I'll even draw it out. Right, market is just moving sideways, not going anywhere, not going anywhere. See, just moving sideways, just moving sideways. No real movement at all. Right, market just moving sideways. Right, this is what we call a consolidated market, when the market is not really making any real moves and it's just like kind of like a heart monitor. Right, when you see a heart monitor, sometimes it goes crazy, but it's usually, yeah, that's a consolidated market. Right, so that is the first one. So let me actually go and tap on a couple of these so we can delete this and go to the next thing. Right, so this is the number one thing that you want to know. Right, consolidation is not the best time or even the best thing to trade in. Right, definitely not. It's not. You never want to get stuck in a consolidated market because it's just going to be moving side to side to side to side, and you're not going to be able to catch any real money. But like I'll discuss in another video how you can take advantage of a consolidated market. Right. So one of the ways that the foreign exchange market moves is through consolidation, a consolidated market, which means it's ranging and moving sideways. Right. So just when it's referred to as a ranging market, it just means it's going sideways. Right. That's all it is. Then you have, right, another way that the foreign exchange market moves, which is in a uptrend, right? And as we can see here, right, let's go all the way into this. Let's show you guys how this looks. Right, show you guys how this looks in a uptrend. So you see the market is going straight up, right? Not literally straight up, but it's going in a straight diagonal direction. Right? We can even move this arrow, right? See the market's going this way, like this, in that direction, right? But we see the market had a common point here, and it's just going to continue to shoot up, right? The foreign exchange market does not always shoot straight up, right? Or shoot straight down, right? It does three different things, right? It consolidates, which means it's just moving sideways at the time. And then it will break out of consolidation and go into either a uptrend or a downtrend, right? So when it goes into an uptrend, you're going to see the market. It's going to have its little moves, but it's going to continue, going to go up diagonally. Right, so that's how the market moves, right? And one of the ways that it moves is going in an uptrend, right? So the way that you would do with an uptrend, if you were to trade it, you just continue to trade it as long as it's going your way, right? Right, as long as it's going your way, right? And kind of the ways that we find out whether the market's either in consolidation, uptrend, and a downtrend is what I'm going to show you guys next, right? Is we use our line chart, right? So you go here, you go to tradingview.com, you click on the candles, and you click buy, right? So you can see, right, the market here is going up, right? It's going up, right? You can look here, see the market, it's going sideways, going sideways. It's going sideways, right? And now the last thing is a downtrend, right? A downtrend. So let's go ahead, let's zoom this out from a bigger perspective so you guys can see, right? Let's see the market, right? Going from here all the way here, straight down, right? Not literally straight down, but it's going in a diagonal formation going down, right? Kind of like when you see a wave, right? A wave doesn't automatically go straight down, but it goes, right? And it moves its way down, right? And kind of the same thing when it's going up, it moves its way up, right? So that's literally how the market goes, right? Downtrend, click on your line tool, and you'll be able to see it, right? See that thing is making the little moves, kind of looking like a heart monitor, and going straight down, right? And if it's not going in a downtrend, see that thing only moving sideways, right? Sideways, consolidation, sideways market. what's going to be doing his thing and working his way up in the uptrend. All right, so those are the three different ways that the foreign exchange market moves. This is something very important that you need to know when you're first getting started with Forex, right? So whenever you first get started with Forex, most definitely I recommend getting with whoever told you about it, right? Or watching this video, right? Have somebody recommend you to this video. And if you did watch this video, recommend it to a friend that's just getting started, right? And want to learn a lot more so that we can be able to help them out, right? So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Saucy Wake Vibes family, like, comment, click on that post notifications button and subscribe for more details, right? So we got more sauce coming, right? This is just one of many, many videos that's going to be bringing a lot of value, right? So thank you guys. And also to the Riches the Wealth family, we out.